One of the most professional things you can do right from the beginning of your career is prepping a startup template. A startup template is exactly that. It is the foundation which every project is started from. It organizes your folders, your files into neat, predictable places every single time. Having a template gets you started faster, will keep you organized, and you'll be ready to hand off your project to any artist and they'll love you for it. Trust me. One of the things that I highly recommend for working much faster is setting up your startup project and always naming your folders and organizing yourself very efficiently. Now, working by yourself is fantastic because then you can just be one big mess and you know where everything is. But as soon as you need to hand this off to another artist and they look at your mess, that's not a good first impression. So I highly recommend startup template in After Effects. What works best for me is putting all the comps, the master comps, the main comps, and all the pre-comps into their own folders. So that way you know which ones are your finals, your render out files, putting all your 3D projects, if there's any 3D assets, any edited projects that you bring in, separating all your audio into music, sound effects, and voiceovers, having all your individual elements, the footage, the pre-rendered elements, anything that you rendered out of After Effects and that you brought back in, put it here, all the still images. You can definitely add any folders that work best for you, for your workflow. So I highly recommend that. But the way to set it up in After Effects 2020 is you go to Preferences, New Project Load Template. And then you can choose your project where you want it to pull from. Create this template once, save it out, and then tell After Effects to load it in every single time. Always keep organized, always organize all your projects in this way and set up your After Effects startup template. And one of the things that I'm going to do for you guys is I'm going to post my hierarchy right here for you guys to be able to download and set as your startup project, because I want you guys to get off to a good start every single time and start organizing and get in the habit of it. In the description, I will provide a link for you guys to go and download it. It would be nice if you guys did tweet it out. You don't have to. You can literally just close it and it'll open up the link and you can just download it. Definitely show me some love if you guys appreciate this. If not, just use the project. That would make me more than happy. I hope you guys enjoy it. I hope you guys use it all the time. I hope you guys set it up as your default After Effects project. If not, create your own and start working efficiently today. All right, guys, thanks for watching Just a Tip, tutorials that get right to the point. I hope you guys liked it. Definitely download the After Effects startup template. Thanks, Dave, for helping me set that up years ago. It's been part of my workflow ever since. That's it, guys. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and I'll talk to you soon. Bye for now.